package has arrived from Mauser Electronics. I wonder what I could have ordered. Maybe stuff for somebody's info globe. Standard LEDs, SMD. Color, blue. Green, clear, SMD, LEDs. That must be it. Nice. It says, attention. Observe all precautions handling electronic components. Uh-huh. And then this gives you all the moisture-sensitive devices. So I guess I shouldn't put them directly on top of the humidifier and back of the camera. Oh well. So let's open these up. Check them out. Of course, they'll be so microscopic. Probably won't be able to see them unless it's under the microscope. Which is not out today. So in the package, you get two little packets of candy. Don't eat these. And you get the little humidity chart. So this thing should go right off the wall in a couple of minutes. And then the little itty bitty package of SMDs. And this camera probably will have no chance on focusing on that. Probably not. But they're tiny. So these little guys are 0603 LEDs. Normally, I mean, the next smallest or biggest, or however you want to say, is 3528s. So you can tell them things are tiny. There we go. Very, very, very tiny. So you'd be like, well, what can we compare that to? Well, here's your everyday toothpick. Your generic toothpick. So you can see a toothpick is quite large. Or it's smaller than a 3528. Then you get these old 603 jobbers. And they are, the toothpick buries them. Gone. Adios. Sayonara. Blow away in the slightest breeze. So, they'll be used for JayKay18s info ball arm. So, all them little LEDs on the on your right, they're all going to be replaced. And if you watch my previous videos, I blew a green one up, second one down from the top on the left. So that'll be replaced, and I might have to replace them all depending on if the color is way out, because we're talking, this thing was made 20 years ago, you might as well say 19-20 years ago. So a lot of production changes has happened with SMD LEDs within 20 years. So I might have to change them all, which is not really a big deal. So let me put them blue ones back in the package before I mix them up. And we'll just toss everything else on the floor. And same thing with these things, you get the little bags of candy. You get the little humidity card. This is for, you know, important work where you actually care about the humidity. And here's the green ones. Of course, it's impossible to see them. But you'll be able to see them real well when I got the microscope out and we're replacing them. So, that is that for opening up. So let's check these two little items out on Mouser. Mouser site for the SMD blue LED. The current one here is the VCC kind. Here's a nice picture of it right here. Nice microscopic shot. So the current price, I ordered a dozen of these, so each one is 43 cents, so you might as well say 44 cents if you round up. And here's all the details. It's an 0603 or 1608 metric. It's a blue LED. It's a standard LED. Surface mount. It's a top view. Color is blue. The current forward current is 20 milliamp. Has a forward voltage of 2.5 to 3 volts. And then you get the wavelength, color temperature, and all the other various criteria. It's a 1.6 millimeter by 0.6 by 0.8. So it's very, very tiny. And then all the rest of the criteria here. Of course, it's a cut tape because I ordered only a dozen of them. So now we'll check out the green ones. And we got the famous Lighton. Ooh. And the current price for these little buggers, these were 14 cents. And that's the typical thing with any kind of white LED, blue LED, or purple LED. They're typically a little bit more money. A few extra steps with phosphorus so they can transmit the proper color. We have the green LED 0603 package, 1608 metric. It's a top view, 20 milliamp. Forward voltage is 2 volts. And then the wavelength, the luminous intensity. Of course, it's a 130 degree diagonal viewing angle and all the other good stuff. So if I had half a brain, I would have built a LED tester instead of blasting it with 3 volts. But probably since that one particular LED that blew up has never been powered on in its entire life, so it's not used to any kind of voltage having on it. So when I pumped it with 3 volts, it promptly blew up. And I heard it pop. I don't know if the mic picked it up, but it blew up. So depending on what this looks like when it's powered up amongst the rest of them, either this one will be an orphan, or it'll have the other 7 brothers added to it. So we'll go back to the video already in progress. So there you go, 0603 standard LEDs. You know, so I got the 20 milliamp, and hopefully they are 20 milliamp. Otherwise, they're the 5 milliamp kind, and we'll find out when I power the thing up. But I would assume that maybe 20 years ago, the only thing that was available was 20 milliamp. So they make high power ones, you know, like probably that sucker right there that's blinding everything, that lights up the whole room in the dark, that little tiny. That might be an 0603. Them things are like stupid bright. So that's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe when I do the official repair of JayKay18s info ball arm here. So in case you are just tuning in for this episode, I have to replace all the blue ones because they are matched in output. Some are brighter than others because some have been knackered and offline for many years. So the ones that we're on are dim, and the ones have been offline are a lot brighter. But that's not the problem of this particular board. The board problem is all the solder joints where these two boards meet, they're all broke. So it's all that lead-free garbage. And you know, over the years of this thing spinning, and of course the way this particular one was soldered, it's at an angle. So if you can, I don't know how well you can see that, it's at an angle, and it's kind of like going like this. So all that force trying to push the top of this out, you know, and then the one time that it took a, you know, flying leap because of little Wittens, didn't help matters much. So we'll be fixing that all up under the high magnification of a nice microscope. So that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.